Hello, I'm coming back with another unboxing. This time is my Sewhaley Jane. And I'm sorry the light is really bad. Let me see. Maybe that can help a little. I'm battling with that. Anyway, so this is my box and we will just open. I'm being so busy trying to do so many things. We'll put them one side. One side will be better. And I mentioned in one of my videos that I was having a lot of eye problems, so then I got like a big problem with my ears hurting and everything. They discovered because I was sick so many days, it was a swelling of my sinus. Anyway, let's go to the box. This box is the number 72 Pattern Princess. I like the pages, and we will see this at the end so I can show you more. What we got in this box? We got these are tags for the cloth that you can use to put in the back. See, and it's a Pattern Princess. They're from What Vicky Made, and a UK company. They're cute. I haven't used the other ones that I have, but I think this will match anything that I do, like a dress or something. I like to put this I would like to put this in the outside maybe, or a part where it will not go to my neck, because that can itch a lot. Candies. I got these two candies that I'm tempted to eat since I got the box, but I have to do this video. So after this video they're disappearing. Then I got this wheel with needles, and they have all these different colors. Very cute. I have so many that maybe I will be keeping these for when I get those other ones bad or something. But this one is trying to come out. There is. Oh, no. Well, there is. The extra fabric that I got, a meter of this gingham kind of pattern, is a cotton. Very, it feels like the quilting cotton, to be honest. I don't know what I will do. Maybe for my dog, because being cotton, it will not itch for him, and it can be really nice kind of cover for him on winter. Or it can be also very nice, no blouse, but maybe, I don't know, I will think that it's a really cute pattern. It's very kind of Christmassy in some way, so something will happen with this, that's for sure. Then we got the color of our thread is this beautiful kind of lavender, dark lavender purple, and that gives you an idea what is the fabric, the color of the fabric. I don't know if it comes in different colors or not, but I got this viscose, and it's interesting. Oops, sorry, I moved it. So it matched that one very well. It feels very soft. It has a little of texture actually. It's really interesting. I'm not sure what I will do, but I'm sure that maybe a dress. It's kind of summery style, or it can be also wintry. I don't know. I'm not totally sure. I like really this fabric. It's pretty. So I will be washing this, and now that it's getting cold and this light is so weird, I can begin to do more sewing, not feeling guilty for not being in my garden. And yeah, it has a little dark brown and beige and lavender white. It's really cute. So that is all that I got in my box this month for September. Sorry, for November. I got this I got the other fabric that actually is very pretty and perfect for some Christmassy project. Candies. This wheel with nice colors. The thread. This, and of course the magazine. So that is my box, my Sewhaley Jane box. And I made this video really quick before it gets really dark. It's only 3 in the afternoon, and this is how dark it is here in the Northwest, Pacific Northwest. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you are subscribed to Sewhaley Jane and if you get the same color or if you have the other box. I know that. Oh yes, let me show you before I leave what they did. This is interviews, sweater weather, different kind of options, make of them on. And here we have, oh, she made a blouse. It's actually very cute. The only thing is, like, I think it will be nice if you match the pattern on the blouse, but you don't have so much. It's only, no, actually can match maybe. It is 2.5 meters, but I would like to do more a dress for this, so I like the idea of the dress. The blouse is a good idea too. Then, oh, look at this. That's a neat idea for this fabric. I like it. And then he puts a different color in the side just to cover that. Good idea. And this was the fabric for the luxury box. I believe it's a stretch. Let's see. French terry, 95% cotton, 5% less lasting. Yeah, they get 3.3 meters. I thought that it was 3.5 meters. Anyway, they get also 1 poly cotton like us. Tilly and the bottom drew pattern. They get a new pattern. I don't know that one. The same Gutterman thread, labels, pearl head, pinwheel, magazine, and Fruitella duo sticks. For us is the 2.5 meters of viscose crepe, 88% viscose, 12% polyamide, and it's a 57 inches of length. The other one is 1 meter of poly cotton, 80% polyester, 20% cotton, and it's a 43 inches of width. It's nice. So, and that is all for this month. Well, it's time that I begin to do more sewing and knitting and stuff like that, so we will see what I do first. I think I know what I will be doing first, but I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.